All right, welcome back to WTV. My name is Kabelo Khoziwa. Those who know me know that I belong to Tsoho TV, and I'm also a resident Lapagu WTV. Today I'm working with Prof. Just a few hours before he leaves for Swaziland. Mina ngizomthola eSwazini. Ngimsale move in a couple of days. Prof.
Yes.
Okay, first let me explain to our Bugi. No, ngiyamthanda, that's why. Okay, okay.
Awuthandi mina ulwa nami.
Yeah, ngithanda babukeli bami, yibo abangikholisayo, hayiwe. Okay, babukeli ekhaya. Okay, kuso enyangeni. Khona ezinye igroup nethwalo asivele TV. Abasikhulumi abo baba. Uzozwa if somebody tells you or if you are here, it's for certain people. But recently, according to that happened, so I don't want to go to see it deep into Lentole, but I just want to ask Gangani about let's twirl this. Okay? I know Uti is not for everyone, or fooling us off, or you won't give it to everyone for whatever reason. But just, and the reason I'm asking Ngalentole is because of obviously our recent cases that we've had of ABANTU bathi Lento nabo banayo, and then Sebalimele, two people have already gotten into, I won't go into details, but like banning gang Ngalentole, because somebody who, I don't know, who formula or whatever. But in front is so that when people go to that person, they must know to me as well you ban. That's why maybe Funa sitting there. Okay, but we get goodness or I think it is strong. Like I. Okay.
Top gear.
Asebenzi njengezinye.
Top gear. Njalo.
Yes. All right. So ngicela ukuthi Prof utshela abantu nge-top gear ukuthi i-top gear why unganiki umphakathi, why uyisusile emphakathini, why ungafuna uku-advertiser, and nakhona ngicela ukuthi ubawonishe ukuthi lo baba lo claim ukuthi uyiphethe akaphathanga the original. But just before that, just explain ukuthi top gear why ingafani nezinye ithwalo, nokuthi how it can move from 0 to 100, like just because people bajwayele igroup is ozikhiphayo nezinye inyanga ezikhiphayo as normal group uyaza uyasithatha uyayikhaya siyakhahlela lesi asikhahleli siyandiza. Why sindiza from 0 to 100 just like an airplane, and why sinobungozi obungaka, and why ungasiniki umphakathi, and sizokhuluma ngalobaba lo amafake.
Okay. Bra KB, i-top gear ayimfuni umuntu ongahluzekanga. Siye sayikhuluma na kwenye inkulumo sithi thina i-top gear umuntu othi professor angifuni ukuthi ngithi ngifuna ukusuka manje ngithi zi niphaka. So izinto ezinjalo awumnikeze umuntu othi umbheka umbone ukuthi lo nakusasa ngihamba memezela athi nangiphethe i-top gear bese ufaka bani enkingeni afake wena. So i-problem vele umuntu mangimbheka mina kufana nento ejulile, ngeke ufike la ekhaya umfananyana uthi ngizofuna into ejulile bese ngithatha.
That's another reason why ungafuni ukuyinika people under 30. I just want to know.
No, abahluzekanga.
Let's begin it. Abantu matured.
They are not matured. They are not. You will seem they are matured, but abekho matured. Because of if you are matured enough, wabona mazothatha into unikeza umuntu i-top gear art. So memezela khona lapha ku social media. Hey, top gear ka Prof, I top very yes. Uyayibona ukuthi uyangiblalisa. Uyangivisisa. Angali ukuthi ngiyayakha and futhi angifihli ukuthi ngiyayakha. But the purpose yalezi zinto lezi top gear azifuni uhamba umemezela. Ziyafana nama boys. Uma boys waqala wamemeza, ziyenzana ama boys. Akusukela shiya hamba. Why akushiya hamba? Is cause of wena uyenzeni? Wahamba wamemezela umhlaba. Uyabona umuntu othatha ama boys uzothi Prof ngithatha ama boys, mangithatha ama boys i-communication yami naye not nomphakathi, i-communication yami naye.
Sorry khona la and nami futhi bafowethu if sikhulumile wathi ufuna ama-boys ku-prof. As soon as mina nawe siqeda inkulumo, don't come back to me and call me, hey ngiyaphetha ama-boys, hey kwenzakalani, bra-KB kanjani. Ama-boys akho, it's your business. We've already had problems ngale nto leyo. I tell people, don't tell me ngama-boys akho, because nje they are no longer ama-boys or your tata, ama-boys akho. It's like you telling me about your family problems. All right, but anyway,
uthatha imfihlo yakho
back to talk.
uyangivisisa uthi i-top gear imfuna umuntu okhuluma kakhulu, ifuna umuntu othulile, ozibumbile, ozaziyo ukuthi nginani la endlini. Angeke uthi abantu top gear mayiqala ithi ungathathi imali ugijima ebhenki, athatha imali ugijima ebhenki aboshwe, watalento ngayinika ulikhulile. Uyayivisisa?
But okay.
And then
Prof, no. Okay. I just
then
want,
I'm just
yeah, I understand. But I've got one question, because of course I understand ngeke sikhulume kakhulu nge-top gear. I just want to know one thing, Prof. Ispoke is fast. Nezinye izinto zifast.
hey ufikile futhi. Hey, all right, qhubeka bra-KB. Hey,
Okay, no. Okay, I'm not gonna say ukuthi. Okay. Ngaphakathi kwalento ngeke ngibuze ukuthi kunani.
okay, ngiyabonga.
All right. But why or how can you move from 0 to 100? I just want to know, is it because ufake into eningi or ufake into engisingayazi? That's it. Yeah. Let me just put it. Ufake into eningi or ufake into esingayazi?
Lapha angifaka izinto eziningi bra-KB.
Okay.
Mangicela ukufaka izinto eziningi ngabe sengenza lokho engangikwazi ukuthi mangisuka ngisho kwabona manje nokunyamalala. Ngene emabhuti. That's why nayo ngithatha ikuyisa
Ngishoko
0 to 100.
Alright, so yeka lapho ke. But Prof, so lo muntu lo uqalela
Uqalela
uyithathela lento le. Ahamba izinto yakhe.
wenza into yakhe maqeda uyaclaim. Ukuclaima lokho akwenzayo lo baba. So angeke sinqimushe ngegama. Nazi inyanga ezihamba la eziningi ngeke ngizisho ngegama. Abaningi bayazazi ukuthi Prof Bayiza. Manje as we speak ngikhuluma na bra-KB. BengiseMozambique. Ngibe nabafundisi abayi5. Top bafundisi abadumile. Abayenza into bakhulekele uwe. But angeke ngibakhulume ngiba expose. Why? Because of bang respect. Na hello ngiyamuona because bafowethu ukuthi simosha abantu bakithi bangasakholela kithi ezinyangeni because of ngezinto zokuthi wena uthi ngiyakwazi ukwenza inyoka. You understand? Awukwazi ukwenza inyoka. At the end of the day bathi inyanga yini ama scam. Okay. Sisenyangeni yamagugu manje asibe neqiniso.
All right, masiyeke lapho all right.